Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a monster truck build with this exact Ford. As you can see, I've got a little bit more money than the last video, and let's get right into it. So I have actually unlocked the monster suspension, so we can just go. Well, I've bought it ready for the video, if you know what I mean. I've got it all maxed out, so we can bump. Leave that at that. Let's just make it look absolutely savage. That just looks a bit ridiculous, but it looks a bit better when you actually put some you know what, I'm going to actually put a teeny bit of rear steering on, because it's kind of stupid how hard it is to turn these things. And if you've seen on my Hummer video, oh my gosh, on one of those on one of the trails, you should have seen me. I think I went into the exact same tree about 3 times. It's very challenging just to do the most simple things in life. You see, it's starting to look a bit more normal with that massive axis width. But you need it. I'm going to put the... What does it look like with just stupidly big rims? Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put them down so it looks a bit more normal. Probably that. That will... Yeah, that looks more normal. Right, that's that. Go into this. I even have these wheels ready. I got it all. Should we do Julie's? I'm gonna say no, just for the purpose of this video, as an all-round good monster truck. Let's splash some cash on some upgrades. Because why the hell not? Right, what are we going for? Let's just... No, I hate the flatbed in this game. It's absolutely horrible. You might have a different opinion, but I find it's horrible. I'm going to go for that, because on my iPad, when it wasn't deleted, I had it different. I had the, I had in the bed, I had like a bit of like a, I think it's called cabin protection or something. Well, I had that in the back before, but I'm going for something different this time. Do we make it look like it's out of a freaking zombie game or not? I'm going to say we don't. We don't need... I don't get this. I don't need... one, I don't even know where it is. Oh no, I'm not even put up. I'm stupid. Right there. It just looks pathetic. I don't even know what it is. What is it? Is it a pickaxe? Why the hell would you need that? It looks like a cushion. I don't need that. Yeah, this is a zombie truck now. I'm putting a blooming sniper in the back of it. You're joking. It's literally, if you look at my money and how much it is to apply the mods, it's literally a bit over. Right, probably... That... 5,000 for literally that much difference. It does something down here too. What the hell does it do? Oh, it's literally just a shadow. I'm sorry, but... Wait, what? I never knew that was a thing. Just put it on the back. That's just stupid. That's for a JDM car. Not a blooming monster truck. Right, there we go. That should sort it out. Yeah, that puts the price down a lot. Of course it does. Out of all the things what could put the price down, that's what puts the price down. Right. I say we test this out. Obviously not. I've not got a towing truck or a trailer, so we're just gonna rock up in this. Let's go into custom maps. Let's do this one. TC Gaming. By the way, this guy is a legend. I watch him all the time. He's really good. I would recommend him. Right, but I think we're definitely going to have to zoom out for this. If it would... Whoa! So hard to zoom out on a phone screen, I swear. I say we follow the red truck. Let's see where he's going. Oh no, I've been to this one. This is, yeah, this was the right one to go to test. Oh! That's why I don't drive in front of a monster truck. This is the best. Oh, I need to repair that. Bliminick. There we go. Now I can actually not crippledly just stroll up the hill. You're joking. Yeah, out of all the times you're then and there, that time you're there. Let's try that again. If we really tried, I bet we could have done 2 blooming front flips then. Trying to do something weird. Don't ask what I was trying to do. I think its landing is decent. I think it's actually quite because it's quite common with monster trucks really, especially in this game anyway. When they land, they tend to just spin. Like when they land, they just flick to the side, and it's really annoying because it's impossible to drive. But this one doesn't. That's pretty good. And this it just flies over the cars. So that's good. I'm not going to have enough speed. Oh, never mind. I think I will. Jeez, that's why I have air control on high. Blimey. I'm not going to make that. But I'm going to try that. I think I could actually make that. Don't you dare get in the way. I swear this guy's trying to assassinate me. What? I like how it says front flip and I don't even land. Right. Cool flip. Oh yeah, that was good. Right. I've got an idea. We'll test a different one now. This is the depressing part. God, if if just skipping ads wasn't a thing in this world, I wouldn't be worth living. Right, I know which one I'm going on. I think it's this one. I hope it is. Here we go. Yeah, this is like the when I do the what's it called, the racing quad, I'll be going on this map. Because you're about to see why if you've not seen it before. Probably going to give it like that actually. It's a drag strip, but it's got jumps and it has a load of mud. I've noticed that in the especially in the custom maps, the mud doesn't slow you down as much as in the actual in-game maps. Because obviously these custom maps, they're not made by the actual game, they're made by players. And the like for example, but the ones that are actually made by the game is Desert, Woodlands and the Rock Park, I think it's called. Apparently I've been called the Highwayman when I'm in a lake, as you do. How does that make sense? So this is pretty good, as that will probably have one more go. Wait, I've got an idea after this. Actually, you know what? I'll do it now. If I could get on top of here, I could get on top of that roof. And if I get on top of that roof, I will look cool. Oh yeah. Come at me, I'm on top of the roof. Is this even a roof? Nobody knows. What is it? What was I even on? Oh no, I was on a roof. I was on some garage, like a garage roof. I don't know what this guy's thinking. He's got a golf cart trying to tow something. I don't know what his parents are thinking. I'm just going to leave it there. You see the guy who just overtook me? That's a racing quad. You see how it goes through the mud at 1,000,000 miles an hour? Yep. That's why people use them. It's already at the finish. It's crazy. Like, you'd expect this with the particular, if you look on the stats for these wheels, I think they're the second best for mud bogging in the game. If you look at the stats, I think the like the paddle looking ones are the best. But these are better all round than the paddle looking ones, I think. So that's why you'll see on a lot of other YouTubers playing this game, they'll have these. If they're doing specifically mud bogging, they'll probably have the other ones. But if it's like all round, they will most likely have these on. But even the tractor's got them on. You know what I mean? So, guys, I think I will end it there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you next time.